All right, welcome back, and welcome to the second part of Module 2. Today we're going to cover some new material, as always, and we'll also get into the explanation for Assignment 2, which will be due in about 4 or 5 days. So um, you've got some time to work on that over the weekend between now and the next class. And hopefully today we will give you everything you need to finish that up. So the new concept that we're going to focus on today is methods, and specifically string methods. Last time we talked about functions, right? Functions, commands in Python that do something. They either do something or return something, and sometimes it's both. Sometimes they both do something and return something. So we talked about print as a function that does something, it prints to the screen. We talked about input, which shows you a prompt and then waits for you to respond, and then takes that response and returns it. And when something is returned from a function, remember, we have to either capture that in a variable or container, or we have to pass it directly to a do something function like print. Otherwise, it just goes away. So